In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a joint bank account with Bank of America. Whether you and your partner are managing daily expenses or saving for a shared goal, a joint account can be a helpful solution. Let's dive into the process together so you know exactly what to do and what to expect at each step. First off, you'll want to open your web browser and visit bankofamerica.com. Once you're on their homepage, look for the option that says Open an Account. This is usually prominent on their site, but feel free to use the search feature if needed. Clicking this will guide you to the next step of the process. Once you've found and clicked Open an Account, you'll be prompted to select the type of account you'd like to open. Here, you have the choice between a checking or a savings account. A checking account is ideal for managing daily transactions, whereas a savings account can help you and your co-owner set money aside for future goals. Make your selection and then click Open Now to proceed. Next, you'll encounter the Add Applicants page. Here, it's crucial to choose Joint Applicant, since this is the feature that allows you to open the account with another person. By selecting this option, you ensure both parties will have access and the ability to manage the account. Now, it's time to enter your personal details. The bank will need information such as your name, address, social security number, and email. Ensure all of your details are accurate. Think of this as setting the foundation for your account. After you've entered your information, you'll need to fill out the co-owner's details in the same manner. This step is essential for the joint account setup, so take your time and double check everything. The next stage involves verifying both applicants' identities. You might need to provide copies of identification documents, so have those ready. After verifying identities, be sure to review the account disclosures thoroughly. Understanding these terms can prevent any surprises down the line and helps ensure that both of you are on the same page about account policies and fees. Finally, you'll set up your initial deposit, which is the first amount of money you choose to put into your new account. Instructions will guide you through funding options, whether it's transferring from another bank account or depositing a check. Once you've completed this, submit your application for approval. Upon approval, both of you will receive debit cards, and you'll be ready to start using your joint account for your financial needs. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a joint bank account with Bank of America. By following these steps, you'll have a shared financial resource that can be both convenient and beneficial for managing your finances together. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!